Bside Adm92. It is a Catii 1000V Catii 600V 6000 count multimeter. It uses AAA 1.5V battery 2-piece. It weighs 96 grams. It test pen Catii 1000V 10M PVC cable 79 cm long. It uses 4mm plug. DC watt 1 mW to 1000V. AC watt 1 mW to 750V. Resistor is a 0.1 ohm to 60 megaohm. Die output voltage is a 3.3V. Continuity less than 50 ohm may be turned on. Capacitor is a 0.001 nF to 6 megafarad. DC current is a 0.01 milliamp to 200 milliamp. AC current is a 0.01 milliamp to 200 milliamp. Temperature is a minus 20 degrees C to 1000 degrees C. It has backlight, NCV, APO function. And this test pen, the cable not very soft. It uses a normal 4mm plug. It's easy for buying this test pen. Its test pen marked Bside. It has a part of the high voltage protect cap. The test tip is very sharp. Engine in the top side. And this backside is have a battery compartment. And come with a user menu. meter function display. In the right side, they have a COM wet test lead input port. Left is the wet test lead input port. You can put in this meter. And at the top is a light hot wire check function of this meter. And this one is the AC DC watt. By pressing the select key, maybe turn to the AC. Now it's turn to AC watt. And when you want to frequency of the AC, put again maybe into the frequency hertz test function. And that is the whole key. One part is hold the data. Long part again maybe the backlight on. Part again maybe turn off the backlight. And that is the work alarm key. That for the NCV test function. Like this. Okay. And the select key maybe in the this is the continuity, resistor, capacitor, and die test function. You can put this with select the function. Now die test mode. Now capacitor mode. Now we turn to the resistor mode. And the downside is AC DC milliamp function. For choosing the AC maybe put on this switch in the AC. And the downside is the temperature function of this meter. Okay. Let's test the meter. Light hot wire check function. You can choose the meter to this position. This position. Now is a light hot wire. And let's test it. Normal use the wet test it for check the hot wire. It have a wet light come out. And neutral no. F no. And let's see the bad test lead. Bad test lead. Neutral no. F no. Hot wire. It can display the hot wire by a wet light. Okay, next function. Weapon DC voltage test. 2.5 watt. This meter shows 2.5 COV. 5 watt. It shows 5.005 watt. 7.5 watt. It shows 7.51 watt. 10 watt. It shows 10.00 watt. It very accuracy of the DC. Next test. Normal AC voltage test. We hold the data. and the voltage is near the full reading. And this meter can show the frequency. Now it's 50 Hz. And let's see the full. It shows 49.96 Hz. And this meter 49.98 or 9. It need a reading. Okay, next test. NCV test. I open the meter, put the switch. Now it's in NCV function. They have a logo come out. And that is it about 3 cm, maybe have 1 bar. Near is 2 bar. Near is 3 bar. And touch is 4 bar. It sensitive very well of this meter. Let's see the cable. Okay, next test. And this meter NCV function must be in all wing, like in this wing. But this may be in NCV. And like this switch. But this switch can be in the NCV. In this wing, the first time no, we must be put in this switch, can be NCV, like this. No. This meter in all wing must be in NCV except the off function. Okay. Next test. Continuity test. It about 81 dB of the output. It touched very far for report but no data come out. Let's see. 40 ohm. It shows 40.3 ohm. 50 ohm. It shows 50.4. It shows accuracy. 30. It shows 30.3 ohm. Okay. 25.4 ohm. It shows fast of reborn. Okay. Let's see the meter in a high resistor. 500 ohm. In continuity, no response. 10 ohm. It shows 10.3. Okay. It shows accuracy. And this meter makes continuity resistor as a 600 ohm. Let's see. They can show 598 maybe mixed test resistor. Okay, next test. Resistor test. Now sort the testing. It must show 0.2 ohm. And let's see the resistor 0.5 ohm. It shows 0.7. It shows accuracy. 1 ohm. It shows 1.2 ohm. It shows accuracy. 10 ohm. It shows 10.4 ohm. 507 ohm. It shows 506 ohm. It shows accuracy 20K. It shows 20.01K. 2 mét. It shows 2 mét. And 22.3 mét. It shows 22.5 mét. And it shows 42.43 mét. It over 60 mét. Okay, that's finished. It shows accuracy of this meter. Next test. Weapon resistor and capacitor test. Weapon resistor is 4.9987 kΩ and cap is 120.47 nF. Now see the resistor first. Resistor show 4.991. It's so accuracy. And now see the cap. It's so 120.8. It need a reading of the reference. Okay, now test the capacitor. Now see a small one, 10 mF. Discharge. And it's so 10.47 mF. Okay. Let's see another one. That is 1000 mF. It took a long time. It's so 1034 mF. It's so accuracy. And let's see the bigger one. A bigger one is 4700 mF and discharge it. And see the reading. It's so 4428 mF. It need a reading. Okay. Next test. Temperature test. And this meter have a function for change to the ferrite. But this one maybe turn to the ferrite. But again maybe return to the cells. function. And now this is a foot. This is unity. Unity is a 21.5, and this meter is a 22, and foot is a 21.8. Okay, let's test the hot water for the first time. Let's test it. And foot is 80.7, and this meter is 78. And foot is unity is 78.2. Okay, now see the meter in cool water. Now in cool water. And this meter show 8 degrees C, and foot is 8.7 or 8.6. And unity is 10.2. Sorry. And now this meter show 9, and foot is 9.1, and the UT is 9.8. It near the reading of the meter. This meter temperature sensor is very well. And let's see this meter in high temperature. Now it's 500, and cool down to 9. Try again. Now at 500, it cool down to 10 degrees C. Okay, let's see another function. DC weapon milliamp test. Now 20 milliamp. It shows 20.03 milliamp. Very accuracy. And let's see the 200. It's on 199.6 milliamp. Okay, next test. High DC voltage test. Foot 276, and this meter 260 about 500. with 527 watt. This meter show 505 watt. And 1000 is mixing. See this meter? It have a warning sound and overload come out. Because this meter mix is 750 watt DC. Okay, next test. Power consumption test. Supply is 3 watt. When turn on is 1.487 milliamp. Turn on the hole. Turn on the backlight. The first is 6.1 milliamp. Now it's 5.136 milliamp. And open the NCV is about 60 milliamp. Okay, next test. And supply is 3 watt. And reference voltage is 1 watt. It shows 0.996 watt. And it draw current is 1.492 milliamp. Okay, next test. And we test when the meter supply voltage come to 2.4 watt, maybe battery low come out. Now 2.5 watt. And now turn to 2.4 watt. The battery low logo maybe come out. Okay, next test. And the meter when come to 2.3 watt, there may be drop down. We test. And now draw current may be a little bit under 2.4, 2.3. It draw about 1.274. .2 watt. The display disappear of this meter. Okay, next test. Meter Teardown. There is the battery compartment. They have a 2 screw and the cap screw. Before I open it, the downside no any shielding, only a battery contact. Okay, let's see the meter. Come with a bezzer and a crystal, main IC, and a fuse, and a PTC, and a resistor, cap, and a die. Okay, let's open it. There is the inside. That's a backlight. and a contact waveband. And open the downside. There is a LCD skin. Backlight module. The downside no any other component. There's only the gold contact and the connector. Let's see again the compartment. And the gold contact, touch key, and the protect cover, okay. And this meter mix is about 37 kHz. And 36 kHz is a stable output. And this meter minimum frequency is 0.5 Hz for measure AC. And CV test. It about 2 cm 1 bar. And touch is a 4 bar. Meter APO auto power off test. And this meter, when turned on, maybe in auto power mode, if not use the meter 15 minutes, maybe auto power off. And when you want to turn off the auto power off function, put the whole key and turn on the meter. We hit 3B, the logo maybe disappear. The auto power off logo maybe disappear. And now test on the auto power off function and turn on. They have a logo come out. Now it's in auto power off function. And now testing the auto power off. And video may be beat up now. die output voltage test. Its output voltage is 3.96 watt. Next test. Die function test. There is the normal die, and we testing. It shows 0.557. It's very okay. And let's see the meter U die function for testing the LED, light on the LED. When it can light on the wet LED, so 1.822 watt. Yellow, okay. Green, okay. Blue, okay. It can show 2.619 watt. White, also okay. 2.618 watt. Okay. Next test.